You are watching Books in Short. In this video, we will go through the learning of the best-selling book Think and Grow Rich. Think and Grow Rich is the Bible for successful people. This is one of the most important books that everyone should read to know the path successful people travel. It was published in 1937 by Napoleon Hill. Think and Grow Rich is the combined wisdom from more than 500 of America's most successful individuals. The research journey for this book lasted for 20 years. Their insights were then narrowed down into 13 steps to riches, which can be financial, emotional, or spiritual. So without wasting time, let's move to the first step. Desire. Desire is the starting point of all achievement. But desires will not bring you riches or other material objects. To attain any goal, you must have a burning desire, combined with belief you will possess it, backed by definiteness of purpose, the firm knowledge of what one wants. Hill details 6 steps for turning your desires into reality. Let's take an example of money to understand Hill's 6 steps. First, decide how much money you want to make. Second, determine what you are willing to give in return for your desire. Third, establish a definite date. Fourth, create a definite plan. Fifth, write down all the above points in a clear, concise statement mentioning the amount of money you want, what you are willing to give in return, and the target date. Sixth, read your written statement aloud, twice daily. The second step is faith. Your success or failure is based largely on your self-belief, and a mindset of positive expectancy is the foundation of which your success can be achieved. And thoughts that are continuously repeated will enter your subconscious mind, and through these positive affirmations, you can program your mind to visualize and, thus, to feel and believe that your success is guaranteed. The third step is autosuggestion. Autosuggestion refers to the use of self-administered stimuli to channel thoughts from the conscious mind to the subconscious mind. By telling yourself over and over and over again that it is possible for you to achieve your goals, that you can make your dreams a reality, and that you have to go your own way and can't let anyone interfere with it, you form these beliefs in your subconscious. The fourth step is specialized knowledge. Knowledge is of 2 types, general and specialized. Knowledge will not help you to accumulate success on its own. We have organized our knowledge to be successful. If you lack the specialized knowledge to build your business or attain your goals, then you should learn it or create a mastermind group. This group should consist of individuals who have the knowledge you seek and who you can manage to help attain your goal. Successful people, in all callings, never stop acquiring specialized knowledge related to their major purpose, business, or profession. The way of success is the way of continuous pursuit of knowledge. The fifth step is imagination. Humans can create anything they can imagine. According to Hill, there are 2 types of imagination, synthetic and creative. Through synthetic imagination, you reformulate existing concepts, ideas, and plans into new forms. Nothing is created in this form of imagination because it works with existing mental material. Creative imagination is what springs forth from hunches and inspiration. Within it, new ideas are formed. This type of imagination can only be reached when your conscious mind is being stimulated through desire. It's a muscle that must be trained. The 6th step is organized planning, the crystallization of desire into action. To translate desire into its physical or monetary equivalent, you must form a definite, practical plan and put it into action. The 7th step is decision. Procrastination and indecisiveness are significant causes of failure. Men and women of great wealth, on the other hand, share in common the ability to reach decisions quickly and change their minds slowly. We should not be swayed by the opinions of others but instead keep our own counsel so that we make firm, productive decisions that ensure our success. 8th step is persistence, the sustained effort necessary to induce faith. Most people will throw in the towel at the first sign of opposition. However, willpower, combined with desire, is necessary to ensure that one's objectives are reached. Hill provides 4 steps for cultivating the habit of persistence, your insurance against failure. The 9th step is the power of the mastermind, the driving force. Individuals can attain and apply power through the formation of a mastermind group, an alliance of individuals with different strengths and perspectives who coordinate their knowledge and efforts to attain a definite purpose. Mastermind groups bring both economic advantages as well as psychic benefits. The 10th step is the mystery of sex transmutation. Hill argues that, when this sexual energy is redirected into other pursuits, it can have a far more potent effect. A transmuted sexual drive results in phenomenal creative ability. While this takes a significant amount of willpower, he maintains that the effort is worth it. The 11th step is the subconscious mind, the connecting link. The subconscious is more receptive to thoughts that come accompanied by an emotion. Hill states that it's only emotionalized thoughts that translate into action. So we have to add positive emotions to our thoughts to control our subconscious mind. To gain control over your subconscious mind, form the habit of applying and using to your advantage the following 7 major positive emotions: desire, faith, love, sex, enthusiasm, romance, hope. The 7 major negative emotions to avoid are fear, jealousy, hatred, revenge, greed, superstition, anger. The 12th step is the brain, a broadcasting and receiving station for thought. Hill writes, every human brain is both a broadcasting and receiving station for the vibration of thought. The creative imagination is the receiving set, through which the vibrations of thought are picked up from the ether. When stimulated to a high rate of vibration, the mind becomes more receptive to the vibration of thought. This stepping up takes place through positive or negative emotions. The 13th step is the 6th sense, the door to the temple of wisdom. Hill believed in an infinite intelligence that could be tapped into when the subconscious was vibrating at a particularly high, positive frequency. Hill refers to this infinite imagination as the 6th sense. What people call flashes of inspiration, or hunches, Hill believed were messages from the infinite intelligence. The 6th sense is, therefore, a combination of the mental and the spiritual. Once you've mastered the 6th sense, you will be able to receive warnings about impending dangers in time to avoid them and get notified of opportunities in time to embrace them. However, the 6th sense will never function if indecision, doubt, and fear remain in your mind. To shield yourself from this enemy, like all people who accumulate great riches, you have to put your willpower into constant use, until you build immunity against negative influences in your mind. Deliberately seek the company of people who influence you to think and act from a positive standpoint, and use your willpower to gain control over your thoughts and influence your subconscious mind. Fear is just a state of mind. It is subject to control and direction. Use this knowledge to your advantage. So key takeaways of this book is to know that the starting point of all achievement is desire. Every achievement starts with a strong desire, workshop to reality through imagination, followed by an organized plan. Be persistent enough to acquire great power, skills and succeed. Sexual drive, transmuted into creative and productive outlets, can be a powerful force for success. Fear is just a state of mind. It is subject to control and direction. We hope you enjoyed today's feature. Stay tuned, we will be back with another bestseller next week. Do reach out to us with suggestions on the next book that you want to be featured here. And please do like, subscribe, follow and share our channel.